It's Tuesday afternoon, and so I thought for this vlog I'm gonna try and film every single day of the week. So yesterday was Monday and I didn't film that much. I did a drawing on my iPad in the morning, and then in the afternoon I went with Flynn to a cafe and I did some sketching and had a hot chocolate. So you probably saw that already. The team of Patreon is in Berlin right now and they invited a couple of creators to have dinner together. And I am very excited. I am so nervous and so excited. And I'm gonna try and film a little bit of it. Probably not too much. I still have to get ready though. It is now a day later. It is actually very late. So yesterday was really nice. Excuse me. I was nervous like crazy. I brought my best friend so she can keep me company while I'm just a nervous wreck. But everything was really nice. We were like 15 people or something. I'm just so grateful that I got the chance to meet them, and Patreon is such a big part of my job now. I started Patreon a year ago and I was so afraid when I opened it because I was so afraid nobody's going to join. But now we have so many people already and I couldn't be more grateful. The patrons allow me to film YouTube studio vlogs and to draw more, so I can make a lot of personal art and share my process and like the step-by-step. And I love filming tutorial videos about it, and it's such a great community. We also have this Discord chat and people talk to each other every single day. They talk about art-related stuff, problems they are facing, they share their art, and it is exactly how I wished it would be one day when I started my Patreon. So that is really nice. And I am actually gonna meet them again tomorrow, and I'm gonna try and take you with me. Probably not gonna film much again. So yesterday I started another painting. I wanted to do more fan art because I'm feeling a little bit not inspired enough to draw from imagination and to come up with my own designs, because I don't know why, I'm just having a hard time at the moment. So what always helps me with that is drawing fan art, because like the design is already there and you love the character, so it's just a lot of fun to draw your own version of it. And I started a drawing of Princess Zelda. My favorite game ever is Zelda Breath of the Wild. Let me show you. So this is how far I got until now. This is like the first phase of the drawing where I just put down the flat colors. I'm not even finished yet, but this is going to be the color scheme. It's something very out of my comfort zone. I usually never use blues, so this is something a little different, but I really wanted to try and incorporate more colors than just warm reds and browns into my drawing. So yeah. So this is the Zelda of Breath of the Wild 1, so to say. So she has long hair, but now this is like a photo I took of the trailer as a reference, but now she has short hair. This is her. He's smiling at me with those two little teeth. He's so cute. So now I think I'm gonna go outside with the boys because Cooper has to go for a walk, even though it's raining, but it doesn't matter, it's always raining here lately. So yeah, that's a lot of talking. I'm so sorry, bye. Hi guys, it is 9:30 in the morning and the meeting is at 10:30, and I'm gonna leave soon because I'm always too late. I don't want to be too late to this one. Do you know the feeling when you are like ready to leave the house but you don't, because then you would be way too early? You don't want to be way too early, but then you still have to wait, and there's also not enough time to start anything, so you're just standing there waiting to go. That's me right now. But I found something that I can show you. So this is the finished drawing, the one that I did yesterday. I'm not sure if I like it. It looks so, I don't know, like a bubble gum. Okay, now I'm going. I just wanted to show you my outfit on that very dirty mirror with baby finger touches. So I got back from the Patreon meeting. It went really well, and this arrived, and I ordered a desk lamp. I wanted to try this one out. I have no idea how it is, but I wanted to try this one out, and if it's good, I'm gonna buy another one, and then I'm gonna put the two on each side of my desk so the shadows cancel each other out when I draw at night, because my main work time is most of the time when it's dark outside. I need good light. All the live streams I do are always at night, and I hate when it's in bad lighting, as well as sometimes I just want to film stuff for Instagram and stuff, or for YouTube. And also because in Berlin it's like getting dark at like, I don't know what, 4 p.m. or something. And then I also got this. This is like a ring light. A lot of times I want to explain something to the camera, or just record myself talking about art or something, and I can only do this like in the morning when the light is good. It wasn't too pricey, so I wanted to try it out. Wow, it's starting to look really professional here in my little mini studio. Let's try it out. Okay, I put that on the complete wrong thing right here. Okay, so this is with the ring light on, and this is with the ring light off. Now that's a huge difference. I have this on right here still. So this is without any light, just with the natural light. And then it's a little bit too bright, isn't it? Oh, I can actually turn it down a little. Now I look like those YouTubers with the ring in the eyes. Hi guys, it is actually a couple of days later. It is Sunday morning. I am drawing, and I just realized that I totally forgot to film on Friday, but I didn't do anything besides record my podcast. But yeah, that's pretty boring to watch, so I didn't film it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!